Hello guys and welcome back to Code Crew. So today I'm going to make an HTML game using only the chat in VS Code. So I have picked up a HTML file. So I have chat. So now I will ask it, let's make I just think let's make a maze game. I really like mazes. You have probably seen it in in my past videos. I really like maze games. So let's make maze games. Let me just type it up. Make me a maze game. With a Mario aesthetic. Yeah, that sounds nice. So right now it's working. Let's see what it does. Let's wait for this guy to do it. It is working. Yeah guys, so till it works, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, share it, put comments on it so that I will feel supported. Thank you. Okay. A new file. Let's keep it. We are going to destroy this file. Delete. Yeah, delete. So here it has created it. So now we are going to open it in a browser to play. Here is our browser. Mario Maze. Navigate through the castle to rescue Princess Peach. Okay. But it's not. I cannot move. What? Oh, I literally teleported in the wall. I cannot move. I teleported in the wall. Let's see guys how much time it takes to make it. Till now it has been 2 minutes. Yeah, this is for those guys who don't know what is VS Code. It is basically a text based editor for coders or developers. Okay, it has now made. Let's delete the server. Let's go live. And here we are again. Okay. Now to okay. Oh. Avoid the walls and Koopas. Okay. Okay. So VS Code now has made a successful working game. Now let's improve it. Improve it with better animations and UI. Also, improve it with better animations and UI. Also add more levels. So now I have told it to improve it with better animations in UI. Let's see what it does. So now plus 106 minus 29. Okay. So good, I have updated the HTML part. Now I need to replace the JavaScript. Okay. Level progression. This, see here you can see the maze. This is the maze, constant maze. 0 is equals to path. Okay. 0 is equals to path, 1 is equals to a wall. What the heck? Avoid the walls and Koopas. Okay, it made. Let's keep. Now we are going to refresh. Yeah. Okay, I have to avoid these. Oh, wow! Nice! Easy. Now we have a difficulty of medium. Let's play it. What? Okay. So it. Oh! Well. Well. Can I jump? No, I can't. So I need to completely avoid these Goombas to survive. And they randomly move. Okay. There is a literal Goomba here. And now they have cornered me on both sides. What? Oh my god! Yeah, just let me get to the queen. I can now reach the queen. Okay. I cannot reach the queen as she is trapped in the wall in level. What am I doing? Level 2. Okay, so till now 8 minutes have been done. And it's generating. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share this video and put comments on this video. I would really like your feedback in the comments. Okay, let's just keep them. Okay, so now, oh my god, Kumba, this guy Kumba is in the wall. Okay, I have 2 more lives. Shut up. Oh, that guy just went without touching me. Oh my god, if this Kuma comes here, will they die? Go down, you stupid. I'm just going to go up here, then to my starting point, take this other route. Go here, go here, go here. Why? Oh my! Run to save her. Run! Yeah! Level 1 complete. Next level. Okay. The queen is reachable this time, but there is a Kumba directly guarding her, so I'll go back to my starting point. Okay, so now we are going down. Let's go here. Let's go here. That Kumba ain't moving. Oh my god. Move, stupid idiot. Ah! Why is this idiot not moving? Okay. Now we need to get there. Shut up, Kumbas! I will win! No Kumbas! Get away, Kumba. Just go! What is your problem, idiot? Oh my god. No. We cannot literally go up. Why can't we go up? Oh my god, why? Okay, I'm just going to go here, go up, go here, collect all the coins. Go up! This guy is so stupid. He doesn't know how to go up, go down. Okay. All lives lost. Oh my god, this is so stupid. And the mushroom. Okay, so this is actually playable because I am stupid. I couldn't play it. So VS Code has technically now made a very, very, very good game. It is for free on this URL, as you can see here. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share on my videos, and comment my videos. I'm making videos. And as always, goodbye.